Email Extractor Software 2022. Welcome everyone to this video. This software can extract email addresses from various sources. This software is awesome. You can extract emails, you can verify those emails, and you can send emails using the same software. You can see all these examples out here, and there are a lot of ways to extract emails, but I'll show you one way which can make you good amount of money every single day. Okay, so you can see that it just categorizes the URLs, the keywords, and the email addresses. It's very user friendly. Okay, so first of all, let's remove all this because I want to let you know that this software works. Okay, so let's just remove it, and I'll open a fresh extractor and fresh copy, and I'll show you how to extract emails. Okay, so these are the three in one software. That means the extractor, verifier, and email sender all in one. Okay, you can, okay, so let's go and let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Let's extract email addresses from Google search engines. Okay, so the first step is, please write down your keywords. Okay, so suppose you want to promote a product related to make money online. Okay, so you have to insert the keywords out here, and after that there are also advanced ways. That means whether you want to choose any search engines, whether you want to extract email addresses from certain domains, you can just insert it. But in this example, you just have to insert keywords related to your product. Okay, so if you do not have a product, don't worry, I'll show you how to find products. Okay, so just choose your country and just insert your keywords, choose the country from where you need the email address from. Okay, so what this software does is that it will start extracting email addresses, but before that it will go and generate URLs. Okay, it will generate URLs related to the keywords which you have inserted. Okay, so it will generate all these URLs, it will go to the search engines, and it will generate URLs, and it will go URL after URL, and it will find high converting email addresses. Okay, so people who are interested in making money online or work from home, whatever niche you are. Okay, you do not have to work with the work from home or MMO niche. You can be on yoga niche, you may be selling a digital product or information product or gadget, whatever it is. Okay, so there are a lot of stuffs happening. Okay, so this software is extracting email addresses. You can see that it's extracting email addresses in front of you. Okay, so this is a demo video where I have shown you exactly what I am doing. Okay, so today's date 25th February 2022. Okay, so you know that this software is working very well. Okay, so the email, first you'll extract emails, then you'll verify those emails, and lastly you will send emails. Okay, so just head over to digistore24 if you do not have a product, and you can, in digistore24.com you'll find tons of products. Okay, tons of niches out here. Okay, so niches are topics. Okay, you can promote any product. You do not have to buy these products. Okay, you just have to promote it and make money, and the commission rates are up to 75, even 85%. Okay, so you just have to go and choose your niche from this menu. Okay, but for this example, let's go and find products related to MMO niche. Okay, actually make money online niche. Okay, but you are free to go and find products related to other niches also. Okay, so you can see this commission rates, even 85%, they are paying 85% also. Okay, so let's head over to email marketing, and let's look at some products to promote. Okay, you just have to make sure you go and create a free account on digistore24.com and find products. Okay, there are tons of products. You can just check out the commission rates, their conversion rates, everything. Okay, so the survival niche is a very good niche other than make money. But let's go to this e-business. Okay, now tube mastery. Now just look at the commission you can earn. Okay, so this is huge. Okay, this is high ticket product, and the conversion rates are awesome. If you go and promote these products, you'll make a lot of money. Okay, so you can see that the software is still extracting email addresses. Okay, so just check. Sorry, I'm just leaving this software open for sometimes if I were you. Okay, so I would leave this software open for at least 2 hours to extract at least 5k to 10k email addresses, so that I can make good amount of money when I'm promoting an offer. Okay, so this software continuously extracts emails. Okay, these are highly targeted emails of people who are interested in making money online. I'll just stop this extraction process, sorry, because I do not want you to wait for 2 hours. Okay, so extracting emails, make sure you extract at least 5k emails, and you just verify it. Okay? You can verify those emails by just clicking the email verify tool, and after that you need the email sender software. Now email sender software you can see on the screen. Now first step is just click the green button where you can edit your subject line, and you can write your emails. Okay, so it's very easy, straightforward. You just have to write your subject lines and your messages. Okay, so if you do not know how to write cold emails, I'll also send you a free ebook on how to write cold emails. And if you are a lazy person, or let's say you do not want to write, you are not a native English speaker or a writer, I'll also give you a link where you can go and buy 30 done for you emails, high converting emails in the make money online niche. Okay, so by just inserting those emails you can make money. Okay, so inserting and of course sending it. Okay, so you can also test those emails, or whether you want to edit it. You can do everything inside the software itself. Okay, so this software is very user friendly software, and I'll also send you subject lines, 100 subject lines that are getting me a lot of open rates. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, you extract emails, you verify those emails, you send emails, that's it. Okay, so then you'll start making money. Okay, so whether you want to choose the same project which we are doing, you can just choose it out here, or you can add more list. Okay, so you may have a lot of emails on very various niches. For this example, we just took the make money online niche. You just have to click the start sending button, where as soon as you start you click those button, this software will start sending emails to this list. Okay, so you can save this list, you can export it, you can sell these emails on Fiverr or whatever you want. Okay, so there's also help section out here where you can get any help or support. Okay, so guys, please work on this method. This method works very easy method. It's a very easy method, and why I want you guys to work on this method is that it is very newbie friendly. Okay, so whether you are an affiliate marketer, whether you have a product, whether you have a business, you need clients. Okay, you need sales, you need people to come to your website. Okay, so this software will help you generate traffic for any offer you can think about. Whether you want to promote health and fitness offer, whether you want to promote yoga offer, whether you want to promote make money online offer, whatever it is. Okay, so this software works, this method works. You just have to start working on it. Okay, so if you want to get this software, this awesome software, just go to topemailextractor.com and get this software today. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I wish you good luck. After you start making money, make sure that you help others as well. Okay, so thank you very much, and bye bye.